Hello guys, review CMF by Nothing Phone, by Nothing Phone 1. This version 8GB memory and 128GB Intel memory, open box and look completion. In completion we have only cable for device, that's all. Okay. On the back side double camera, design, plastic body. On this side power button, on this side warm buttons, backside double camera, 6.67-inch display. We have Full HD display 120 Hz, LTPS matrix, open settings, about phone. We have MediaTek Dimensity 7300, 6.7-inch display. Okay, open Geekbench 6 and look results. Good results in tests. Open AnTuTu benchmark. AnTuTu benchmark results, very good. Close this. PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic level. Now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.